Let's quickly review these wall anchors. They're very straightforward. These are the metal pieces that you'll attach to the wall and to your furniture. You can attach them vertically or horizontally, whatever's easiest for you, and you can have them overlapping if you want, or a distance apart. As long as you can connect this metal wire between them, they'll work. And while this metal wire does look big, it is not big enough for the piece of furniture to tip or to give enough momentum for either of these to rip out. Super solid. And this metal piece is super solid. It's not going anywhere. And you simply twist it apart when you don't need it and twist it back together when you do. Now it also comes with the hardware, and I do enjoy that each baggie of hardware is a full set for 2 brackets. You get your 2 long screws with optional drywall anchors for the wall, and then you also get the 2 short screws for the furniture. Overall, a great furniture anchor set that I am confident in.